Zhengwei Machinery has launched the ZWA11 Pro Max multifunctional paper bag making machine with round and flat handle. Centered on the dual handle type compatibility of round handle / flat handle, it combines the mature crease-free technology advantages to achieve a revolutionary transformation and improvement in paper bag making machines. Simple installation combined with automatic positioning. Intelligent adaptation without complex operations. Simple debugging can easily switch between round and flat handle functions. It is perfectly compatible with various materials such as 200-300G white cardboard, coated paper, gold and silver cardboard, and special printing paper.
It precisely adapts to bag sizes with a width of 200 to 540 millimeters,
a height of 200 to 400 millimeters,
and a gusset of 80 to 200 millimeters.
One device can cover the production of round, flat dual handle and multi-specification paper bags. It has significant advantages in saving labor and improving efficiency compared with traditional round handle paper bag making machines. This equipment is equipped with an intelligent handle threading module. The entire process of threading round and flat handles is fully automated, significantly reducing the reliance on manual labor. With a stable production efficiency of 40 to 45 units per minute.
The capacity can reach over 20,000 units in 12 hours.
Effectively meeting the demands of both large and small batch orders. Flexible conveying structure, exclusive zero-scratch technology, fully avoiding friction damage, precisely solving the friction and scratch problems of gold and silver cardboard and dark printing paper, ensuring a smooth and exquisite surface of the finished bags. The double-sided adhesive spraying process makes the tape more secure.
It has been verified through a 5 kilogram low plus high in low temperature test that the tape does not fall off after continuous operation for 5 hours at a high temperature of 45 to 48 C and a low temperature of 16 C.
Equipped with visual inspection functions, it can control the bonding strength and handle position accuracy in real time. Precisely monitor the uniformity of glue application and the pressing force. Avoid problems such as loose bonding and easy cracking. Eliminate defects such as handle position deviation and missed penetration. And the defect rate is close to zero, greatly reducing material loss and more effectively increasing the profit margin. The core system adopts an industrial-grade durable design, with a failure rate far lower than that of similar equipment. It can maintain stable operation even during long-term high-intensity production. Changing specifications only requires adjusting the side plates of the mold, and the bag specification switch can be completed within 1 hour, significantly reducing downtime. Less manpower, more adaptability, high quality. Choose the ZWA11 Pro Max round and flat handle multifunctional paper bag making machine. Innovate the paper bag manufacturing process technology and usher in a new era of efficient and profitable round and flat handle paper bag manufacturing.